Here's the question I've been asking myself. Is COVID-19 the meme more replicative than COVID-19 the virus? And when I say meme, I'm not talking about the photo of the rather large naked gentleman sitting on the edge of a bed that has certainly hit your feed, though I suppose on some level he does qualify. But really I'm speaking more generally about memetics, which takes a Darwinian approach to how ideas spread and propagate. And just ask yourself, has any idea in history spread more virally than COVID-19? I mean, the very idea, the meme of this coronavirus has precipitated an unprecedented shift in our global behavior. Quarantines, the virtual cessation of travel, remote work, changes in personal hygiene, a return to what I would say is a more local way of life, more cooking, less driving, more family time, more hanging out. I could go on. And it's not like the world wasn't already suffering from a huge variety of large-scale diseases: global warming, homelessness, famine and obesity simultaneously, cancer, diabetes, drugs, anxiety, loneliness. But government has always just obfuscated, and nothing much has changed. We often feel so paralyzed in the face of the enormity of the world's problems. There's just too much inertia, embedded corporate interests, political bickering to bend the arc of anything. But it's different this time. And why? What is it about COVID-19 that has broken the dam? I mean, from its point of view, from a virus's eye view of the universe, it simply yearns to replicate. We're just meat wagons. It seeks out susceptible hosts until it just peters out, either from herd immunity or we develop a vaccine. And by most accounts, the reproduction rate of this pathogen is around 2. So for every infected human, there are 2 new hosts that get infected. It's really serious, but it's somewhat contained. I mean, the spread is not airborne. It mostly occurs through droplets emanating from coughs and sneezes that land on a surface, and then that pathogen gets on your hands and you touch a mucous membrane on your face and you get infected. But just imagine the reproduction rate of the meme of COVID-19. I mean, bloody hell, with every news outlet and social media platform spewing forth some form of update every second. I mean, just me right now. I mean, who can know what that reproduction rate is, but it's heaps greater than 2x. And I just think of how an idea spreads digitally, exponentially, when there are enough vectors, and it's just upended the world. And it's not only shaken us and reminded us of our interconnectivity, but also the possibility of change and collective action. I mean, it's awful, but something had to give. I mean, how long could we really lavish in this unbridled consumption before there was a crack, before there was some kind of check? And I just wonder if there is something that we can learn from it. I mean, can other ideas spread with the same virality? Can social justice advocates, environmentalists, human rights activists learn anything from the spread of this idea? Or will we just limp through it and get to the other side and scurry back to our old ways? I suppose it's up to us.